TeraFlex's hardtop handles for the JK Wrangler make removing the hardtop easier. The simple installation is done without removing the hardtop. Begin by placing masking tape over the areas where the hardtop handles will go. Cut out the provided templates. In the front, align the template with the edge of the bottom of the hardtop and tape the template into place. Double check the measurements of the holes to be sure they are in the correct locations. It's always best to measure twice and drill once, especially when you're drilling into your hardtop. Use a punch to mark the locations of the holes and then remove the template. Drill the holes using an 11/32 inch drill bit. We recommend using a brad point drill bit when drilling into the hardtop. Brad point drill bits do a good job when drilling into fiberglass. A regular drill bit will work just fine. Just be a little more careful to not chip the fiberglass. Put blue thread locker onto the bolts. Place the O-rings onto the handle. Install the handle, keeping the hardware loose for now. Align the rear template with the bottom of the hardtop and the seam running up the hardtop just before the corner. Again, check the measurements before drilling. Use a punch and mark the locations of the holes. Then remove the template and drill the holes. Install the handle the same as the front, making sure you have Loctite on the bolts and that the O-rings are on the handle. Once all the hardtop handles are on, tighten down the bolts. Only tie into 20 foot-pounds. Since the hardtop is made of fiberglass, it's important that you don't over-tighten the bolts. Install the bumpers 1 inch from the front edge and 1 inch from the rear seam. Remove the backing and hook the bumper onto the bottom of the hardtop before pressing on the adhesive. After installing the hardtop handles, it's recommended using a friend to remove the hardtop from the vehicle and go out and enjoy the fresh air as you hit the trail. The bumpers will keep the hardtop off the garage floor as you do so.